Hello guys, welcome to our channel The Spy Networks. Today I will show you how to create virtual machine on EXI server, and first of all we will open our browser and we will put our IP address here for our EXI, and the username is root and the password. Okay, we will click on virtual machine, create a registered VM, create a new virtual machine, then we will go next. Here we will write our machine name, virtual machine name. So I am going to install Windows Server, and that is Windows 2019 2019, and we will go next. Data store. Okay, we will go by the default option. Here we can change our CPU, memory, hard drive, esxi controller, SATA controller, USB, network adapter. We can add here more adapter, or we can delete. From here we can choose our ISO image file. I already uploaded here. You can upload from here. If I click this one, it will open my system and I can upload from here. So I already uploaded. This is server 2019. Select, and with default option I will go next and finish. Okay, here is our virtual machine is created successfully. You can power on from here, or just double click on virtual machine. The console will open automatically. It will take some time. Press any key to boot from CD-ROM or DVD. Now installation for Windows Server 2019 is begun. This is generation 2. We will go next. Install now. Okay, we will go standard. Next. I accept the license term. Next. Install Windows only. And we will go next. Now installation process is begun. It will take some time because it's copying the window file, then gathering file ready for installation, then install the feature, then it will install the updates. It will take some time. Okay, it's time to enter the product key. We will do this later. And administrator password. And now finish. This is finalize the settings. We will click action. Yes to S, Senti, yes to S, Senti, all control delete, and here administrator password. Please wait for the apply setting. Personalized setting. Okay. Here is our Windows Server 2019. We can open here. And this PC properties. This is Windows Server 2019 standard, and later we will activate window in next lecture, inshallah. And this is the server manager. This is the server manager dashboard. We will install Active Directory later and other services like DNS, DHCP in our lectures. Thanks for watching. Like our channel, subscribe, and share with your friends. The Sky Networks. Thanks again.